How can we become financially free in 5 years? Most people think financial freedom is a lottery ticket, a lucky investment, a sudden business idea, a six-figure salary. But the uncomfortable truth is this: financial freedom is usually built in boring places. 5 years can completely change your financial life, not because you discover a secret shortcut, but because you finally understand the system that controls your money. The first step is realizing the problem. Most people don't have an income problem. They have a money flow problem. Money comes in, money disappears. Then the cycle repeats. A person earning $3,000 a month and spending $2,900 is not closer to freedom than someone earning $5,000 and spending $5,200. The numbers don't care about appearances. Over the next 5 years, the goal is simple: create a gap between what you earn and what you spend. Then turn that gap into assets. Because income pays today's bills, assets can pay tomorrow's. This is where the math becomes interesting. Saving $500 every month for 5 years creates $30,000 before growth. Investing consistently, improving income, and avoiding lifestyle inflation can accelerate that process. But here is where most people fail. They chase the image of wealth instead of the structure behind it. A new car can look like success. A growing investment account usually does not. The world rewards people who appear rich, but financial freedom belongs to people who quietly build ownership. And there is another reality nobody likes to discuss. 5 years is enough time to